Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to translate anything from Google Translate. Let me see one example from our group. There's one picture, they need to translate this one. So for me, I have no idea what language it is. So far I know he's from South Korea. So there's a language. So for example, I'll take a screenshot. For example, I'll take this screenshot like this. Okay. Sometimes it's screenshot not clear. You just make it 2, maybe 3 screenshot. It's better for you. And take it another one. Okay. Now I have no idea what he's saying. So I just check it out. Say anything, change it all the way over here. So it's any letters, symbols. It's all look like a symbol to me. Symbols. So nothing changed. So anyhow I just make it another screenshot. Okay, leave it. Now I came here. They asked me to translate it. So I came to Google Translate. Where is it? Google Translate. I already installed it in here. Translate. You need what you call on the internet connection. And click camera and import. It's a recent image. Okay, it's taking too long. Okay, let me try this one. So it's scanning automatically. So I'm going to select it all. So don't take off your hand, just mark it down whatever you want to translate. And here I came here to think that my big brother is going country because I came to pay only one. Okay, so it is look like it's like not an accurate translate, but for me I got a picture what he trying to. I came to big brother is going to be okay. So let me try another image. So it's not working. So that my big brother. Okay, I didn't get the correct translate. Let me try this one. If I, that's why I'm going. That's why I took the several screenshots. Sometimes it's translated not the correct way. I came here thinking that I am going to be a big country because I only came. it's a wrong translated. Definitely, it's not saying like that. So I'm going to say third one. Okay, big brother going. I came here thinking that my big brother is going country because I want only. Okay, first one. I don't think so. I didn't translate the first one. Okay, make big brother going to country. Let me try something else. I already took the old translator, not a translator. Image over here. Okay, I can't find that image. Okay, over here. I came here thinking that I am going to a big country because I came here and pay only 10 yuan. So it's not a 100% accurate translate for me. So for me also, I came here thinking that I'm going to. That's I think okay with all the transaction came to here to big. That one also same. No big country because that's the only change part. I came here and pay only. So he explained his salary 100 yuan and maybe 100 yuan. That's not much I think. Okay, basically he's explaining. He came to that country with a huge dream and he get this much of payment. I think he's happy. That's only he is saying. That's a base concept what he tried to say.
고향에 큰 만화라 간다고 생각하고 와요. 왜냐하면 여기 와서 1,000원밖에 안 되잖아요.
Okay. It's in English. Let me try it for Tamil. இங்கு வந்து 100. Okay, something similar like that. Okay, thank you for guys. If you have anything else to translate, just go here and mark it on English and select it here, detected language, and select it and import an image over here. Okay, image, import image. Let me, okay, that's a Kerala image. So let me try to translate this one. They say for Ria Division New Leadership International. Okay, maybe. Let me translate what's the name of that one. I think that's a familiar faces. Font. I didn't get that name. Oh, no. Like that, you just take the screenshot and come to here and translate it. It's going to be a work. So most of the Arabic article I just read it out or not Sinhala, and even so some other language are there, anyone command it to me, I just come here and do like that. So let me try some other languages. Okay, in here I have no idea. I know the Ronaldo. Okay, Ronaldo. Okay, servicing. Okay, try. Two chicken fighting. Let me translate what they did. Ronaldo is going to meet the twin brother. Oh, twin two. Okay, now it's getting it. Okay, guys, so that's how I just translate it and read it. So all the translated here. So if anything they want to get what they are translate last thing, they come to here and search it out. What we call history. Thank you, guys.